Yes, the Stikemaster, of course, being built ahead of the Hawk training jets. A lot of other countries use the Stikemaster in an operational role. Of course, it was cheaper to operate than a Hawker Hunter, so for those nations that couldn't afford to operate a Hunter, they could afford to operate Stikemasters. But that didn't make it an unformidable foe. The Stikemaster able to fly with 4 500-pound bombs underneath its wings. And putting that into context for you, the RAF Typhoon you will see flying later today also carries 4 500-pound bombs. So certainly it's our equivalent was able to control the skies wherever it was in action. 30 flying for you today then, as I said, RAF pilot for 13 years. He flew the Tornado GR4 as he comes to give us a nice pass for